to my channel. So today I'm here and I will be making Sunday dinner. On my menu today I will be doing oxtail, rice and peas, chicken. I'm still trying to make my mind up if I should do fried chicken or barbecue or bake. So that's what I'm here doing today, guys, and I'll be making potato salad and maybe some coleslaw. So remember, on my menu today I've got oxtail, rice and peas, chicken. Still trying to make my mind up what chicken to do. So guys, remember, thanks for the support, thanks for the love that you've been showing me. And remember, if you haven't yet subscribed, please stop, go over, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification key, so each time I upload a video, you'll know as well. And as you can see, I've been doing another video. I did copy challenge, which they're going quite well. So guys, thanks, stay tuned. So I've got my chicken. It's already been marinated. I've got my oxtail. The pot's on the fire. I've got my peas there as well, guys. So guys, I've got Jaden here. He said he wanna get fried chicken, so I think it's gonna be fried chicken, guys. So I've got my oil ready for my oxtail. So that's the first thing, guys. Oxtail's ready to go. So guys, I'm gonna be making potato salad as well. Yeah.
And what we need, what over a food gravy.
We
need gravy.
You need gravy?
Yeah, over a food.
Okay. No problem. So guys, I've got the potato all peeled. Now I'm gonna cut them up. So in my potato salad, I normally use mixed veg, egg, maybe a bit onion, just a little tiny bit. That's the potato prepared. So guys, I've got coconut as well, which I'm gonna blend. So I break it up the shell like that. That's to go in the rice and peas. So I'm just going to cut it up. That's the oxtail coming in. I only use warm water in my meat as well. So I'll cut it up like this and then I'll get it blended. Strain it off. Gonna just drop a little bit of water on that. So guys, now that I've got the coconut cut up, I'm gonna wash it and then straight in the blender. You know, coconut milk gives your rice and peas a really good taste to it. Right? So now I'm gonna blend it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Oxtail Fry good as well. So guys, that's finished blending. I'm just gonna strain it out now.
Dad.
Yes, Aiden. You right?
Yeah. Dad.
Yes.
Can I help?
You can in a bit. You know, this will give your rice and peas a rich flavor. So what I'll do, I'll just put this onto a plate.
Dad.
Yeah.
Did you say peas?
Huh?
Rice and peas.
Huh?
Did you say rice and peas?
Rice and peas, yeah.
We have a rice and peas.
Huh?
We have a rice and peas as well.
Yes, we have the rice and peas.
Dad.
Yes.
I don't like peas.
Okay.
Even fuchsia.
Yeah, I'll take your peas out for you then.
And fuchsias.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dad.
So guys, yeah, I can always put a little bit more water in this.
Dad.
Just get a little bit more. I don't want to put too much, otherwise it's gonna be like water.
Yeah, it's got to be super watery.
Yeah. So guys, yeah, just do it like that. Just run it through the strainer. Again.
What?
Then all this gonna go in the bin.
All of it.
Yeah. So guys, at the red pot, that's what I'll be doing the potato salad. So I dropped a bit of salt.
Yeah, because we want it to be a little bit salty.
Drop my potato in.
Yeah, so it's potato salad.
Yes. And I've got egg as well. I've washed it and I put it in some paper.
Egg.
So just gonna leave it there to boil. I'll do put my mixed veg in when it's almost cooked.
Dad.
Just gonna put a bit more water on my meat.
Dad.
Yes, Jaden.
Do you know I don't like mashed eggs?
Yeah, I know that. So that's going on quite good. What I'm gonna do now, guys, is strain the coconut off again. Give it double strain. That means if there's any trash inside, it just removes it. It's not bad coconut as well. It's got loads of oil. So yeah, there was some trash. So now I've got my coconut milk to make my rice and peas. Yeah, guys. So guys, now that the potato salad is almost cooked, I'm gonna put my mixed veg in.
No, she's turning back around.
Hmm?
She's turning back around. How do you know? She's turning around.
guys, I've got some ginger, which I'm using in the rice and peas. Everything's going good. That's the potato salad. I'm gonna turn it off in like another 2 minutes. That's the oxtail, guys.
Why is it coming out? It's not. She's taking it out. Under Dennis' house.
So guys, now that the potato is cooked, I'm just gonna turn it off. And allow it to cool down. You go out there so I ask the host them?
I'm going out.
No. You're not going outside.
La 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 la. I hear one puts her cigarettes in here.
Hmm?
I hear one put her cigarettes in here.
When you see she did, tell her not to put it in there. That's fine. Oh, shit. That's my potato salad. In my potato salad, as I said, I've got potato, mixed veg. A mixed veg contain string bean, carrot, sweet corn, and I use mayo, salad cream, and a bit black pepper over it. So guys, I'm gonna start seasoning up my rice and peas. So I've got spring onion, thyme, a bit sweet pepper as well. I'm gonna drop a pepper in it. 1 pepper, a bit of all-purpose seasoning, guys, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, just a little bit. I use about 2 to 3 spoons of sugar in my rice and peas. Give it that little sweet taste. So I've got some ginger, and I've got spring onion, thyme, sweet pepper, sugar, yeah, that's got a nice taste to it. So I'm just going to leave that there for a bit. So guys, I've got carrot and an Irish, which I'm just putting onto the meat. Yeah. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season it up, but I'm gonna leave that there for a bit so those can cook. That's the peas there, guys. That tastes really rich as well. So guys, alongside my dinner, I'll be making a mega punch as well, as you can see. In the mega punch, it's got quite a lot of stuff, peanut and pumpkin seed. It's got peanut, pumpkin seed, cashew, and some wheat. Yep, and it's got oat as well. It says, but I'm gonna do it my way. So I'm gonna use the mega punch. I'm gonna add Guinness and ice and condensed milk onto it. Guys, yeah. So I'll use 1 Guinness, drop some ice. Maybe 1 or 2 Guinness. Condensed milk. I'm just gonna wash that. Drop some milk. Yeah, guys. As you can hear the ice crushing up, guys. Tastes nice. So what I'm looking for now is my little extra bits. Some vanilla, vanilla, cinnamon, I'm gonna drop half more bottle Guinness, and then I'll add some water onto it. Yeah, so I use 1.5 Guinness. So it's like a Guinness punch. It's got oats in there as well. I maybe just drop that the Guinness with some water. Because they said add 1 cup water, so I add 2 Guinness, about half a cup water, milk. This has got oats in it as well. I drop some more milk. Give it another little blend. And that's it, guys. Start frying the chicken. Pour the oil in the pot. Also, I'm gonna get the rice ready to go in. So I just need to get the oil proper hot. I'm gonna drop a spring onion in the oil for the chicken. Yeah, so I've got dropped some pepper in the oil, spring onion, two pegs of garlic, a little bit of thyme, so I'm gonna get the seasoning in for the oxtail. So I've got spring onion, sweet pepper, drop a bit of all-purpose seasoning in. Once that boils up, I'm gonna just throw the butter bean in. So I just need to get my rice washed. So guys, I'm gonna get the rice in. As you can see, that's boiling up. Before I put the rice in, I'm gonna turn it down to, it's on 4 now. So I'll leave it on 4. I don't want the pepper to burst inside, so I'll take that out. The oil's getting proper hot. For the chicken, I need it to get really, really hot. Give that a stir. So I get the peas circulate all through it. That's it, I'm just going to cover that back down. That goes in the sink. Guys, it's time to put the baked bean in.
Put the butter bean in.
So I'm just gonna wash it, pour the water up. And that's my baked bean going in now.
And that's my butter bean going in now, guys.
I'll turn that down as well. Tastes nice. Okay. I did drop a bit of salt. So the baked bean.
Butter bean.
Now we're gonna put the chicken in. As you can see here, I got the chicken. It's in flour with some all-purpose seasoning, salt. Just leave them there. I'm gonna cover the pot as well. Oh guys, I just need to put some butter in the meat. I turn that down slow. The rice is on 4. Chicken's going. So everything's going well. Good and nice. Let's have a look at the chicken. See it there? Some lovely chicken. I'm gonna take all these onions and stuff out now. Out the oil. And just leave the chicken there to cook. I just put those in the oil to burn so it gives it like a bit of extra flavor, you know. That's it. I just leave them to cook. Guys, we're gonna check the chicken out now. The foil paper in my hand is to put over the rice so it can allow it to steam. Chicken is coming on nice, brown and pretty. If you put the cover on the pot, it will help them to cook a lot easier. So as you can see, the water has gone out the rice now, it's all sucked out. So I'm going to put the foil over it and just allow it there to steam. So that's just going to stay there and steam, guys. The beef is on the oxtail is on the back. That's turned all the way down as well, so it's just there. Just a little bit of salt. And that's it. Gonna drop a little bit of pepper. And that's it. Everything's good. You see me? So guys, I'm gonna start taking some of the chicken out. As you can see, nice crispy chicken. I'm putting them onto a tray to let them drip. When the chicken's nearly fried, I'm gonna turn the oven on to like 180 degrees. Get it really hot. And then throw them in there for like 5 minutes. Let's check these out. That's the second set of chicken. Coming on well. Oxtail at the back. And I've got the rice. Let's see what it's saying. Look how beautiful that looks, guys. So guys, the chicken is coming on quite good, as you can see. I'm going to take these out in a minute. That pot on the fire there, I'm going to do some veg. And I've got the chicken there that's fried already. I've got some corn and carrot, broccoli and cauliflower as well. Yeah, guys. I've got the veg on the fire. That's the corn and the carrot. I'm gonna put the broccoli and the thing in it when it's nearly done, because I don't like when they're cooked too soft. I like it crunchy. So that will be the last thing to cook. I've got the oven on as well, which I said I was gonna turn it on. So I'm gonna leave it hot. I'm gonna put the chicken in there when I finish frying them for like 3 minutes. I'm gonna put my broccoli and cauliflower in, which I'm gonna leave them for about a minute, as I said. As soon as it boils up back, then I'm gonna turn it off, because I don't want them too soft. So guys, I'm just going to take these out and I'm going to put them in the oven for 2 minutes, as I said. I had it up to 180 degrees. Take the pot off. I can turn this off as well. I'll turn it off, leave it there for a bit. That's the chicken, guys. I've got some lettuce and cucumber and tomato there as well. So now I'm going to put these in the oven. Turn the oven down because that's proper hot. And I'm going to leave it for 2 minutes. Next thing I'm going to do is pour off the veg. So guys, that's my veg. I'm going to turn the cooker off. That's the rice and peas, oxtail, chickens in the oven. So that's it, guys. That's my Sunday dinner. Prepare rice and peas, fried chicken, potato salad, oxtail, my punch. Guys, it's been a pleasure with you watching my videos. Thanks very much for your support over the last couple of months. Really appreciate it, guys. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tell a friend, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And guys, enjoy the rest of your weekend. It's been a pleasure seeing you today. Remember to tell a friend and tell a friend to tell a friend. Support each other's, guys. Just remember, and I'm out. Remember, stay home, stay fit, stay healthy. Have a good weekend, and I'm out.